And during this COVID-19 pandemic, the poorest of the poor is facing the most difficult hardship, especially homelessness, women and young girls. A tiny firefly group, or Hing Hoi Noi civic platform group, has raised the issue of access to sanitary pads of homeless women. Kun Chalanthorn Yothasamut reports.
A stay-at-home order has been implemented during the COVID-19 outbreak. But many people, including women and children, do not have homes to go to, and they are an especially vulnerable group. During this COVID-19 pandemic, in Thailand we will see a lot of donation, which rank from facial masks to alcohol-based gel and food. But rarely we think of sanitary pads and essential products for women. Each month, Thai women might have to pay from 100 to 400 baht per month to pay for their sanitary pads. During this COVID-19 pandemic, people might lose their jobs or getting less pay. It will be quite difficult and challenging option to choose between food or sanitary products. This woman is currently living on the street with her husband because neither of them is earning. For any woman, sanitary towels are essential, even when she doesn't have an income. She chooses to buy a small pack at the cheapest price.
จะไม่ซื้อราคาสูงใช้มันราคาสูงมันมี3-40เพราะนะคะมีรายได้ช่วงนี้ไม่มีรายได้อะไรค่ะไม่ได้ขายของไม่ได้ทำงานอะไร
Some have received donations of sanitary towels from time to time. Toilet tissue might be an option if she cannot get access to commercially made hygiene products. The choice between using money for food or for hygiene products is a difficult one for any woman with limited or no income.
มันยากอยู่นะคือมันสองแง่สองมุมอะค่ะเพราะว่าลักษณะว่ามันอะไรก็ใช้แต่เงินตอนนี้ถูกไหมคะถ้าข้าวก็อีกอย่างนึงผ้าหน่อยก็อีกอย่างนึงมันก็ต้องใช้จ่ายกันอีกเยอะ
Hing Hoi Noi, or Tiny Firefly, is a civil movement and an online open space for youngsters to discuss social taboos such as sexual harassment, sexual rights, reproductive health, and access to feminine hygiene products.
The cost of the pads is higher, and also during COVID pandemic, people cannot afford. And if you think about today, we get 300 baht, but you're supposed to pay for pad. One pack of pad is almost 60. You're supposed to buy food instead buy pad. And how many girls in your family? That's a lot. Maybe you supposed to pay like 300, same as you supposed to pay for food.
Distribution of 50 sanitary kits each time seems a very small amount, but the volunteers' aim is not just the distribution of sanitary pads. Washable sanitary towels have been designed, and the use of the menstrual cup has been assessed as an option. For the homeless, washable sanitary pads might not be feasible, but some have shown interest in the menstrual cup, which is easier to clean and cheaper for long-term use. The volunteer team has stated that the ultimate aim of the project is not just the distribution of free sanitary pads, but rather pushing forward policy change in social welfare for those in need and providing options for accessing essential feminine hygiene products. Chalanthorn Yothasamut, Thai PBS World.